chỗ kẹp bông nè nhất kẹp ôi đứa hiện chỗ kẹp bông này chứ mà miền mua
Even the excitement is successful, so thank you all of you for coming out and supporting this event. Lần khi chăm nhà mua quay ra nó nằm trên nhà quay ở xuống, nay bây giờ luôn thôi là quay biếm giặt có đồ chào chào tết làm cái loại event chúng ta có việc là ok này đấy ở chỗ hồ hay nha thì mai we actually have a very young gentleman here. I think he's only not even 20 yet. He's actually blowing the flute there. So I'm very excited to see that we are teaching our young to preserve our culture, our language, our music, and just our heritage. So as you can see, these beautiful ladies are actually dancing the shash. The girl more than the guy. Đi hỏi này được Sacramento, yêu miền sầu này nhé, yêu miền festival, is Sacramento, is sản khôi được khôi chỉ còn tốn tiền, chúng ta cùng với màu.
Draw art, draw art.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right there.
Brandon, come over here. Over here.
Game chắc quá. Boy, chồng go. Wait.
I'm not even wearing it. Do they have one?
Here, Thor, you should have here. Anh bắt đầu gì đâu.
Facebook famous.
Get there. Hey, stop, wait. You don't need to form a circle. Let's go now. Wow. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Last pose. Oh my Lord.
Smile.
Wow. Lên to xí cháu á. Lên to mai quá.ยิ้มมาสิจ้านี่สิจ้าหรือมาโตดิยิ้มมาสิเนี่ยอันนี้ต้นแบบหัวใช่เฮ้ยลีดเดอร์
I'm on it, but it's hard.
bỏ mang bỏ rổ tới là anh ta biết giật anh ta đã xiang xiang bộ tay xiang phải chơi lớn có biết giật hay nhé anh ta đã bỏ rổ ta lo hay nhé anh tí ta đã được bữa ta biết giật ta lo được phải á tới mày spell liền anh tới xe đúng không xiang xiết khóc biệt à yên sang cái mấy đâu anh ta đã xe xiang ton khóc biệt ta cháu ý nhắn tốt ta cháu anh ta đã xiang xiết yên nay khóc biệt ta cháu ý nhắn ta xiang ton ta xiang xiết ta xiang ton ta xiang xiết ta xiang xiết ta xiang xiết ta xiang ton ta xiang xiết ta phải hàng số kia ta tổ phải hàng số kia
cô hả như xin nhiều được bữa lộn nhiên ta sẽ thêm em tôi nhắn nhiều mưa mà sẽ chỉ đi ô
ta nó phải hàng số kia nhá tại nhà nhà ta số
số lâu
là chị ơi mà cha hồ ta nó cáp tội với yêu miền cái bữa em nay xả lẻ hồ
xài liang ta yang kéo ta sẽ phải hàng số kia phải hàng ta khắp ta này hàng có biệt dấu phải hàng cái ta
ta xem miệng ọ
ta xem miệng ta đã giang hàng số kia phải hàng này ta ta không phải xe giang hàng số kia phải hàng này ta đúng như ta thấy cái bữa là cái dấu ta này ta phải quay gì nào ta hàng có ta ta hiểu lại giang hàng ta chỉ như phải hàng này ta cái dấu chúng ta sẽ hàng tay thì hàng có tay dấu ha là chính nên mà tên là quả chiến chết nhé mà tên là cái quả chiến tôi chúng ta hiểu mấy xe đi giờ đi cho mà tay thì hàng có tay không ra hàng dấu chúng ta là mấy ra hàng dấu thì hàng có biết ta dấu mấy xe cháu mấy xe cháu sao cái này đâu chúng ta này xe cháu chúng ta mấy xe cháu cái xe cháu ta cái xe cháu ta hiểu nhá chưa ok tao đi tao mấy muốn ok tao đi rồi bắt tao con đôi gì hoài với ta tàu này phân gì thế tàu gì lấy chiêu
nhìn nhanh lên nhìn mình không tao
Okay, you guys move back.
เขาสุกเราแต่นะเขาตีnhỏ chứ cáiเขาตีta nàoเราlà bang thì tiệc là thi nhìn chậm là thi tóm cái lọ tiệc lên là thi tóm cái là chiêu nó chúng ta này nhưng mà có cũng trông tay nó cổ họ thì họ cũng
muốn cho nó thời vườn nữa, ô tô này cho nữa, em bảo càng vườn nữa, các tay vườn biết
Chắc phải đi ra.
được bao giờ là nè cứ một số cái tô tại lào tàu và trước là xuất cả hai giờ mình đang á
yếm cho mình đang lại như vậy là mà luôn
Nói đôi giờ số kẹp bông nè, nhất kẹp.
cô ơi cô miền đọc với ha
Ôi đôi giờ số kẹp bông.
Successful, so thank you all of you for coming out and supporting this event. Lần khi trong cái mùa bơi giờ nó nằm trên cái bơi ở xuống, nay bơi nhẹ lon hoi là bơi biếm giặt có đồ chào chào tết làm cái loại event chúng ta có được là ok, là đó ở chỗ hồ hay nhé, hay we actually have a very young gentleman here. I think he's only not even 20 yet. He's actually blowing the flute there. So I'm very excited to see that we are teaching our young to preserve our culture, our language, our music, and just our heritage. So as you can see, these beautiful ladies are actually dancing. The Shasna representing Vietnamese again, yang nya nóก็โหตัวตาหักไว้คนมันลงห้อยแต่ก็จัดเลยชื่อตาเสียงตาไฟก็เป็นฮักด้วยเนี่ยก็เป็นยันก็โหตาสีหักเลยก็โจตาเหเพ่งคนบุญร่วมกันจะให้ชื่อขัดเย็นเลยเดี๋ยวชื่อไฟอีมาเนี่ยยันสุเปลกับเปลยันชื่อให้เปลกับเปลสุดท้ายให้เปลกับเปลเลยชื่อเป็นยันเนี่ยตุยเขาเนี่ยบุญฮักเลยจริงๆตัวโจต้นน้ำบวชนะก้าวชื่อตัวก็โจต้นน้ำบวชเลยก็จะไป represent เป็นยันเนี่ย Thank you everyone for participating. Lần này mình có chia tao giờ chú cho tai hồ năm event festival gồm tai hồ của giống mai được committee xuống tới nó được có mai được trong hiếu ở tiền hàng anh các tàng số cầu hồ để bây giờ chú chia tao tài chính chứ được hồ bây giờ chú này xem được trong hiếu anh thấy những tôi có viên chia taoยังโกยังปั้นอยู่ใต้เดี๋ยวจุ้งจอดยันใต้โหนำอีเวนต์เฟสติวัลนั้นเดี๋ยวเตียงทางวันโจดังเก่าโหไอ้เก่าขนมคุณก็อย่าจุ้งมั่ง Again, if you guys are out in the back or in the auditorium or in the cafeteria, the parade is happening right now. You can see they have our hand instruments. The gentleman playing the hand instrument that is, that, we're trying to preserve that as well. It is as well.
One code. Ngọt khâu phán khâu xí à? Khâu.
Nè music thảo là nhà ơi.
Vợ khôi à? Vợ khôi à?
Mà nó chưa
Vợ khôi à, miệng mua tỏi á? Cái khôi thế, khôi dạng cháu ha.
Making their speeches here in this parliament. Again, earlier, as I was saying, those of you that are not men, you may not know what they're doing or what this is. As you can see, the gentlemen are playing our traditional music. They have the flute, they have the drum, they have the other two instruments. I don't know how to say it in Mian. And then you can see that the ladies are all representing the 12 clans of the shack that they're dancing with. Those are 12 clans. There's 12 clans of the Min people representing different clans. And then we also, as you can see, the more mature, like my age, are all adults. The older generations are representing our 12 clans by using the shack. And you can see we also encourage our younger generations. This is why we are all coming together to preserve our heritage, our language, and we want the younger generations to also dress up and be a part of this parade. And they're representing the 12 clans as you can see in their lettering that they're holding. And those last names, that's indicating we're the Mian community. But now that everyone are here, becoming American citizen, being modernized, a lot of them have dropped their SAE name, so you may not know if they're Mian or they're Chinese or they're other race, but we are a very unique group of community. We are unique group of people. There's very few of us we're as compared to other race. But as we come together, as we unite as a unity, as a community, we can really make things happen. And I'm happy to say that today I'm actually able to see our young generation bridging the gap with our old, coming together and celebrating together. And I'm so thankful for all of you community members coming to this event and making this a very successful event. Without all of you here, it won't be as fun, it won't be as successful, and those that put this together will feel like, you know what, it wasn't productive. I put all this hard work and, didn't really get the crowd to come out and enjoy, but I'm glad that you guys are all here because then that, the inspirations and the admirations, the encouragement to continue next year and onward, to continue to preserve our culture, our heritage, and our language. So thank you all for coming. Okay, so con tại miền Hòa, dân Hòa là câu hai con liền, hai con câu hề miền Hòa không có chào như chào hai con cháo mà chào hổ chứ nghe liền. Châu chủ không có như con chủ phê con tại muốn nàng hiếu na. Này ye phê này đâu từng hết đi bữa này cả được hiếu tin đi con chung cho bầu đi con thảo lệnh chính thám mấy bữa giờ chúng chia tàu yếm cô yếm phát chính trang mấy tay tay thảo xây hai đàng như bữa hợp thành chiêm tạo thành chiêm ye đóว่าchúng tôi là yếm bằng đóว่าfinancial professional giáo viên chọn sẽ ye giáo thời gian lấy thôi lại gì bây giờ chúng chia tàu phải nói hổ non ye chẳng hạn đóว่ายันให้ก็กวาดโกปานกระดงหวนปานหลุนปานอย่าจุ้งตายทั้งโน่นนั่นเพื่อเสียคนเนี่ยไม้ใส่ชิวสันเย่แต่ว่าเสียตาว leaders community member ไทยนินโจชวนนำก่อนแต่หรือบ่นบ่อยจุ้งเสียตาวจอมเหี้ยวแต่หงดินไหนแต่ว่าหนูไปหิ้วตู้เตียงห่างไอ้โจเก่าโฮไอ้โจเก่าช้ำเองแต่ว่าคุณบ่อยอย่าจุ้งเงินหมูวัวต่อยยังโปยังฟัดแต่ได้ไอ้ความต่อยออกห้ามนอเป็นสไตล์หิ้วตู้ก้องบนเมียนแต่ว่ายาวจะบนเมียนหลุนว่าปานกว่างบนเมียนหวานกว่างบนเมียนแต่ว่าคุยเจอะไรใหญ่บนเมียนเราโหสู้ห้านอแต่ว่าห้ามจิตยังไม่ปล่อยต่อตอนเดี๋ยวเราคู่นี้บัวใหญ่ยืดตัวนี้แต่ว่าไหนจริงๆเย่ตอนนี้จุ๊วันนี้หายเบี้ยมจัดไงหายอันให้ก็แต่ว่าห้างก็หลุนเตะมุโหเบี้ยมจัดมุโหแต่ว่าบ่อโจมุโหบนเมียนหวานมุโหบนเมียนtradition บนเมียนคุยเจอะไรอย่างเงี้ยต้องตัวเลยต้องเยอะเลยจะมีปานยาวจะดูฟิช่วยมีอะไรเดี๋ยวหอยผมไปบนเมียนนะเนี่ยหายอันให้ก็ยินหอยมีจุ้งเสียเตาแต่ร้ายเขาจะดูบัวกับดูบัวจอมเที่ยวเลยตีนหางภาษาไอ้กวางไปยินหอยน้ำใหม่เจี๊ยเจ้าโหลชั้นติ่งดาวฮิตตังเจ้าดูว่าเอาจุ่มถุงที่พวกเมียนหวานกวางก็ไม่เมียนหวานทุกกวางก็ไม่เอเล่ห้านอเลยทีนี้ว่าอันนั้นที่ตั้งที่นักเรียนนะกวางได้ดูว่าคุงจาเมียนดูว่าassemblyman แต่ได้ก้องว่าเป็นบัวชัดเจนเลยดูว่าไม่fashion show ตั้งดูว่าไม่เสียเมียนซุปเมียนละเหาแต่แสดงยังไงชัดเจนเลยคิดแต่ดูว่าดูว่าวางดูว่าเย่บุเมียน celebrity เป่าจุ้งเลยฝันแล้วว่า
ผู้เจ้าโหแต่เขาโหผู้ยูเมียนเราจุดถูกจองเขาได้คุณผู้จะโคยมฟ้าอีพายเก่งเย็นหายเย็นหายคุณเขาผู้ยูเมียนจึงยิงปิงคุณเขายำน้องตะกุงยำน้องมุ้งยำน้องหลังหยกเจ๊ผู้ยูเมียนเสียจุดทิ้งต่อยทับต่อยลมต่อยทิ้งหูไอ้ที่ผู้ยูเมียนนอนหัวดินคุณเขาลูกเยี่ยมหิวอีพายจะโหหายอีพายออกตู้แบบทำเป็นเพื่อจู้มีหัวต่อยจู้ทับหัวกับทับผู้โตที่อยู่ในเก้าผู้ยูเมียนจากตอนเสียตอนมาที่นี่ผู้ยูเมียนเพื่อมีต่างจะได้ผู้ที่เยี่ยมที่อยู่ผู้ที่ตายยูเมียนยูเมียนว่า เนี่ยไม่ได้เด็กวัวอยู่เนี่ยไม่ดีกว่าวางหางอยากตั้งเด็กวัวอยู่ทุกวัวมีอยากเข้าอยู่ทุกหัวตั้งอยู่เอาการไปเราที่ตั้งไว้มาสูงได้ดีแยกน้องไว้พออยู่มาดูทางนี้ก็หายโอ้เรียนไปเพื่อนง่ายๆสิลูกสาวทำให้โตเราจะว่ามีเรารู้ประมาณคือเราจะคิดแต่โรงเรียนแต่ถึงที่สุดลูกน้องมีผมก็ได้แนะนำที่เขาเพื่อที่จะมีทีเป็นอย่างนี้จะตั้งปีอยู่มาเนี่ยแต่ให้รู้ได้รู้ต่างตัวในห้องจะต้องมีทีที่ทำให้ประเทศไทยค้าหายบ้านเขาดูไม่ให้กันคือจากง่ายที่กองยาเขาที่นี่ทีเขาที่นี่ทีเสียงว่าอะไรอย่างไรจะเป็นด้วยยิ่งทีนั้นอาจจะเป็นดีกว่าอะไรที่จะป้าอยู่แต่คนแพ้แต่ไม่รู้เงินพอดูเงินที่ตรงนี้ที่มันเกิดขึ้นว่าเขาไม่ได้อันที่หายไปเลยจะดูจะที่ได้มาเลยงานต่อที่นี่ก็เองที่ก่อนเรื่องที่คุณทำอยู่เมื่อก่อนคุณมากก่อนที่พูดถูกได้คุณก็ทำอยู่ที่นี่รู้เอง
Ông bóng ở giờ đó à.
Okay, isa kayo ipo lang mo babaan o.
No, go.
You're too young to have knee problems.
We're on a leg knee.
Nguy hiểm quá ai có nhận cái thật ra cũng đâu Hey, is my lip still red?
Rồi, mà cái nào? Cái này chị á?
Gak yang kedua cia.
Ê, bữa mà kia ô. Mà kia ô. Bố. Ye y pia.
Ipua mapua pia.
Bạn sáng hơn này vừa cắt tầm chính chân. Bố cho em bằng Facebook nên bố bằng như vậy. Bố. Em dừng.